Alright, Mike, he's rocking about. Right, as you've seen from probably previous videos, I am trying to get into a bit more lightweight backpacking, hill walking, trail walking, all that type of stuff. So lightening the load and having easy access for stuff is big on my to-do list. So what I have done is I got myself a bum bag. It's a cheap one. It's now special. It's the, as you probably see from the title of the video, it's the Karrimor Xlite. Extremely lightweight, coming in at a colossal 134 grams. I am a hunker chunk of a lad, as we all know, and this fits my 40-inch waist with some room to still go bigger. So it doesn't really matter your size, this would fit you if you're looking on that. Now this has, it's got the two pocket design, so it's got a large front pocket with a divider in the back. It's my mobile phone in there, perfect. I've got the Samsung Note 20, I think it is. So big phone, slides in that back nicely. You've got an integrated key clip, so you can stick your keys on that, lock it in there. You know you're not going to lose your keys then. I don't use that one because I have one in my rucksack, does the same thing. So it's a 2 litre capacity, water resistant zips. It has a small, what I just keep, a little small waterproof pocket on the top. I just keep cash in that. Quickly, easy when you're at a shop or you just want some money out quickly. It's nice, easy to grab. It literally is just a flat pocket on the top of the. It's padded mesh on the back, part that hits your body, which, like I say, on the inside that's lime, so that's got the water resistant lining on. It's got the bungee cords going all the way around it, so if you wanted to, I don't know which has the pull cord on it, I don't know if you wanted to tuck your I don't know, maybe your snood, your benny out, your cap, I don't know. I personally won't use that. I'll probably take that off because it's just not something I'll use, so I'll just cut down a little bit of weight and I'll probably use the bungee on something else. It's got 2 bungee loops on the side, so you could clip something onto the loop. I'm not sure. Both sides of them. It's not something I will, like I say, it's not something I would use on the outside of such a small. It is just for snacks, phone, money, camera. I would have never thought I would have gone down this route, but wow. The few small walks I've done recently, what an amazing handy piece of kit. We'll see how long it lasts, and I'll be using it constantly, every time out now. Every time walking and like that, like walking and hill walking and that type of camping, I'll have this on me all the time, because just not having to reach around every time you want a snack or get your phone out, so it's brilliant. Like I say, it will fit us fat lads, no problem. There's not much padding on the actual belt, but that suits me, keeps it lighter. as you can see, there is tons. And like I say, I'm a fat lad, and it's still got the toe full.
Sorry, I don't know that.
What she's going on about. Still got the full adjustment from the. So it will fit you skinny lads, fit us fat lads. And it's just a nice handy piece of kit. It's got the Karrimor branding on the top, the Xlite branding on the front. It's the Xlite shorts. I use the same. I use the Xlite Karrimor Xlite shorts for walking in as well. I just cut the mesh off them. But yeah, so I know Karrimor's not everybody's go-to because it has dropped off a bit of quality, but I've looked all around this. Every bit of stitching is tight. I've got no tags, no stitching tag ends. Turn it right inside out. It really is, and it's budget friendly again. As we know, I'm all about that budget friendly. It's at sub £8, so £7.99, less than £8 for a really handy piece of kit. As long as you're not a kit snob, have a little look at the Karrimor. Right, if you got this far, thank you very much. Think about whacking the subscribe button. Think about hitting the bell icon, that way you'll get updated every time I release one of these really exciting videos. Also, while we're here, you all know, the Rackpack's a massive part of my outdoors and camping life. We are hosting another meet. If you head over to Goonie Bushcraft, Jay, head over to his channel. He's got a video dedicated to the meet, the details of the meet, or head over to our Facebook group, Rackpack Camping, Outdoors and Camping. On there is the pinned post is all about the meet. Have a little look over. If you fancy coming down, meeting some of the lads, there'll be a lot of the Basil lads will be there, people from other groups. So if you want to come down, meet a few of the lads, have a bit of a chat, catch up, have a beer, like I say, go have a little look, and hopefully we'll catch you at the meet. Right, thanks a lot. I'll see you on the trails.